Hey everyone, want to swap out those default Snapchat emojis? I'm going to show you how to customize your friend emojis so that you can make your chats even more personal. Let's get started. First up, open Snapchat and make sure you're logged in. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap Settings gear icon in the top right. Scroll down and look for the settings that allow you to customize your friend's emojis. You may see an option labeled as Friend Emojis, or it may be within a larger setting category. Tap on the Friend Emoji settings. Here you'll see all the different friend emoji categories. Tap on the one you want to change. You'll see a list of emojis. Tap on the one you want to use for that category. Repeat this process for any other emoji categories you want to change. And that's it. Your friend emojis are now customized to your liking. See, customizing your friend emojis is super easy and adds a personal touch to your chats. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.